You've probably already seen those amazing videos on YouTube that showcase AI singing popular songs. In this video, you'll learn how to create a song cover with AI. Hi, I'm Danny and welcome to my channel. Don't forget to like, subscribe and click the bell so you don't miss any future videos. Let's dive in. Step 1. Find the song you want AI to cover. I'm using a free-to-use song due to copyright issues, but you can choose any song you prefer.
It starts with an itch and a tingle, and then it builds and expands. I scratch till my fingers go numb, but my skin never bleeds.
Step 2. We need to extract the vocals and instrumentals from the song. You can use free online tools like this website. Keep in mind that it may not work perfectly with all songs, but for now, let's use this tool. Upload your song to this website and wait for the processing to finish. Once done, you'll have the vocal and instrumental tracks separately. Download both. Step 3. Click on the Discord AI Hub channel link and join the server. Then navigate to the voice model section and search for the voice you want. Copy the download link. It should be at the top of the post, possibly from Google Drive or Mega. Step 4. Click on the collab link provided in the description. On the collab page, run the first cell and wait for it to complete. After it finishes, paste the link you copied from Discord, and then run the second cell. Once that's done, run the third cell. It will provide you with a public link. Click on it to access the RVC interface. Upload your vocal track here and wait for it to finish uploading. Click on refresh to see the vocal song's name. Now, you can click on convert. Once the result is ready, click on the 3 dots and select download. Extra step: if you want to use another model, go to Discord and search for the model you want. Copy the link. Then go to the download model tab. Paste your link here. Give your model a name. And click on download. When you see the success message, go back to the main tab. Click the refresh button to see your new model. Choose it from the drop-down menu, and once again, press convert to cover the song. This time using the new model. Before we proceed, I'll show you the advanced settings. Here, you can choose the algorithm to work with. Keep in mind that the algorithms are sorted from worst quality to best quality. Currently, the best option is selected, so I didn't change it. However, feel free to experiment with other options. Step 5. Use any video editing software you prefer. I use CapCut. Merge the AI vocal track with the instrumental track we split from the original song. Import the isolated music below and the vocal above, then export the final result. Let's see how it turns out.
It starts with an itch and a tingle, and then it builds and expands. It's suddenly all at once, my legs won't let me stand. I scratch till my fingers go numb, but my skin never bleeds. A silent account waits and feeds when I'm asleep. There's something that lives inside me. I promise I'll never let it end. Oh, it grows and divides inside me. It's making a home beneath my skin.
It's worth noting that running RVC AI voice changer on Google Colab may have its downsides. It may continuously stop the process if you're using the free version of Colab. In such cases, you can use the RVC GUI locally on your PC. Also, for separating vocals and instrumentals from songs, you can use another tool called Ultimate Vocal Remover, which offers more options and is more professional. It can also be run locally. Both of these tools are open source and free, so maybe I'll create another tutorial for that. That's it. If you want to learn how to use an AI video generator for free and without limitations, make sure to watch this video.